Afiyet olsun is said when someone is eating. So it will be which picture? Number 8. İyi dersler means good studies. This is the literal meaning, but if you want to take the general meaning, when your son goes to school, you tell him iyi dersler. Have good studies, but this is the meaning. So which one will it be? İyi dersler. This one, they are studying. Number 4. Bol şanslar. Bol şanslar, lots of luck. Like good luck. Which is this one, number 1. Tebrikler, congratulations, tebrikler. You will say it like maybe when someone graduates. Number 7. Çok yaşa when someone sneezes. After someone sneezes in Turkey, you tell them çok yaşa. Which picture? We have number 5. Lütfen means please. If we look at the pictures, maybe it's the boy. He's asking his mother something. Özür dilerim means sorry. I am sorry. Özür dilerim. He's sorry. If we look at the pictures, maybe it's 12. Most probably it's 12. İyi geceler means good night. Who is sleeping? The girl. Number 2. Geçmiş olsun. One of the uses of geçmiş olsun is when someone is sick, which is number 11. Mutlu yıllar, happy years. Like you say it when there's a birthday or an anniversary. Number 9. Tamam, okay. Tamam means okay. Number 3. İyi yolculuklar. You say it when someone is traveling, which is number 6. So let's read them one more time. Afiyet olsun. İyi dersler. Bol şanslar. Tebrikler. Çok yaşa. Lütfen. Özür dilerim. İyi geceler. Geçmiş olsun. Mutlu yıllar. Tamam. İyi yolculuklar. Another exercise. Aşağıdakileri bakalım. Let's look down. Aşağı means down. Bakalım. Let's look. Ne zaman? When? Ne söylüyoruz? What do we say? Eşleştirelim. Let's connect. Anneler günü. Mother's Day. Hastalık. Sickness. Bayram. Feast. Düğün. Wedding. Doğum günü. Birthday. Yeni yıl. New Year. So, bayramınız kutlu olsun is used when we have a feast like Ramadan, Adha. We say this sentence. So, which one will it be? Bayram, which is feast. Geçmiş olsun, as we said in the previous exercise, one of the uses is when you're sick. They tell you geçmiş olsun, which is hastalık, sickness. İyi seneler, good years, which is used in the new year. Yeni yıl. Yeni means new, yıl means year. Yeni yıl. Number 3. Anneler günün kutlu olsun anneciğim. Happy Mother's Day, Mom. Anne is mom. We use it on Mother's Day, which is anneler günü. We will continue. Doğum günün kutlu olsun is happy birthday. Nice senelere, lots of years. We say this sentence when in a birthday, which is this one, doğum günü, birthday. And the last one, as you can see in the picture, it's like a wedding. What do we say? Sonsuz mutluluklar. Endless happiness. When do we say that? In a düğün. In a wedding. Düğün. So, anneler günü, hastalık, bayram, düğün, doğum günü, yeni yıl.